Hi, and welcome to a Declutter the Mind guided mindfulness meditation. This 5-minute beginner mindfulness practice is to introduce you to the mindfulness meditation. If you've never meditated before, mindfulness meditation is about paying attention to the present moment, non-judgmentally, in a purposeful way. Usually this is practiced by focusing on the breath for a period of time, which is the way we will practice it today. While we try to do this, thoughts and feelings will enter our mind. Our mind will wander. Instead of trying to control our thoughts or following our thoughts, we will practice gently noticing the thought and letting it go. This is the most important part of the practice. This helps train our minds to not become our thoughts and to live in the present moment. This can help with daily focus, reducing stress and anxiety. However, I think the most important thing mindfulness meditation does is give us self-insight, and it allows for regular introspection. We get to see just how busy our minds can be. In a world where many of us are living in momentum and caught up in the routine of daily life, meditation can be our daily, non-judgmental state of open attention to the contents of our consciousness. Let's start by first getting comfortable. Make sure you're seated comfortably, whether in a chair or cushion, and sitting upright. You can do this meditation laying on your back, but generally it's best to do this meditation sitting. With your eyes open, take a few deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. On the next out breath, gently close your eyes. Notice the points of contact. Maybe it's your feet touching the floor, your arms resting in your lap, your back against the chair. Notice the sensations, the warmth, the pressure. Now begin to shift your focus to the breath. Notice the rising and falling sensation. Maybe it's more noticeable on your chest. Maybe it's the tip of your nose or stomach. Remember, we're not forcing the breath here. We're just observing its natural state and the rise and fall. In and out. Now, begin to count the breaths as they pass. The breath in, 1, the breath out, 2, and so on, until you reach a count of 10. When you reach 10, start over and begin again to count the breaths. The breath in, 1, the breath out, 2, until you reach 10. Now, you will get distracted, and that's fine. Whenever a thought or feeling enters the mind, notice it, allow it to pass, and return to the breath. Whenever you notice your mind begin to wander, you can start to count over and return to the breath. And now slowly return your focus to the points of contact. Your legs or feet on the floor, your arms in the lap, your back against the chair, the pressure and warmth, the physical points of contact. And now slowly open your eyes. Notice how you feel. And you've now completed your mindful meditation session. For meditation to be effective, it takes practice. Try to create a daily habit, but start small if you have to. Start with 5 minutes a day, and slowly work yourself up to 10, 15, 20, 30, and so on. If you've enjoyed this guided meditation, go to declutterthemind.com for more, and consider leaving a like or comment on this video. It supports the channel. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next session.